Hey there viewers, you're watching 5 Best Products, and today we're going to show you some of the coolest knives for self-defense that are on the market. We made this list based on research, popularity, our own opinion, and much more. For pricing and more information on these knives, feel free to check out the links in the video description. And lastly, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel so that you never miss a daily product video from us. The first self-defense knife that we're going to show you guys today, coming in at number 5 on our list, we've got the Smith & Wesson spring-assisted self-defense knife. And coming in next at number 4 on our list, we've got the MTECH USA Spring-Assisted Folding Knife. And coming in next at number 3 on our list, we've got the Snake Eye Tactical Everyday Self-Defense Knife. Next up at number 2 on our list, we've got the Kershaw Secret Agent Concealable Boot Knife. And last but not least, at number 1 on our list, we've got the Smith & Wesson Extreme Ops Self-Defense Knife. Alright viewers, so now that we're at the end of the video, let us know in the comment section which self-defense knife you think you would like the best out of these 5. In addition, don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you aren't already, and check out the next slide for related videos that you just might be interested in. Or check out our videos page to see hundreds more videos that are just like this one.